it up. Birds, animals, and their food. Birds and animals give us food. Come, let us now learn about what they eat. Wild animals like the lion and tiger eat other smaller animals for food. Domestic animals like the cow, buffalo, goat, and sheep eat grass. Horses eat gram. Camels eat grass, leaves, grains, and dates. Birds like the pigeon, sparrow, and hen eat grains and seeds. The duck eats grains, seeds, underwater plants, and grass. It also eats insects and other small animals. The parrot eats guavas and green chilies. Reptiles, like crocodiles, eat smaller water animals. The lizard eats mosquitoes and other insects. Pets, like rabbits, eat carrots and lettuce. Dogs like to eat meat. Cats love milk and fish.